This week, I'm going to show you how I made a Star Trek cribbage board. Every year we host a family grab bag Christmas, and I decided to do a cribbage board. And you know how much I like Star Trek. Goodness, do we have a guest? We do. We have a guest. Say hello, Maxie Cat. Hello. She helped with the cribbage board, you know. She always makes an appearance. So, this week's video is on how I made, using the Rockler template, a cribbage board.
The cribbage board is with the Star Trek insignia. I believe it's Next Generation's insignia. I had to do a little bit of research online, and there are different symbols for each series. Next Generation, Deep Space Nine, Voyager, Discovery. So this is what I did with it. Don't forget to click the link below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you had a good holiday.
So I've polyed this. This is the third coat. So it's starting to get a really nice shine to it. Tricky thing with this is each time I have to go through and there's this 122 holes to make sure that the poly doesn't settle in there and the peg still sticks. Can't have a cribbage board where the pegs are all loosey-goosey.